So, MM712 is the next step in Cooler Master's evolution plan for their first and very popular mouse, the MM711. It retains all the same features like sensor, hybrid 2.4 and Bluetooth 5.1 wireless connectivity, PTFE feeds, optical micro switches, but this time in a very lightweight form with only 59 grams. Unlike the previous model, which had a honeycomb shell, the MM712 sports a seamless, holeless profile with an ergonomic form factor. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. Aside from the mouse, in the compact box you can find a charging cable USB-A to USB-C, wireless extender, wireless dongle, set of grip tape and of course a quick start guide. The MM712 is not only equipped with the Pixar 3370 sensor, but also Cooler Master engineers decided to make it capable of 19,000 dpi for greater responsiveness and accuracy, which is an improvement from their previous model. Out of the box you can choose between 7 predefined steps: 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 3200, 8000 and 19,000 dpi. You can change dpi in real time thanks to their on-the-fly system. The mouse tracking speed is 400 IPS, which is around 10.16 meter per second. The MM712 comes with a paracord-like braided detachable ultra-weave charging cable, which is in terms of flexibility among the most flexible charging cables. The measured cable length is 1.8 meters. In conjunction with the wireless extender, the charging cable can also function as an extension cable. The wireless extender can be used to keep the distance between dongle and mouse as short as possible. On the bottom side of the mouse you can find a storage compartment for the dongle, for the wireless dongle. If you open this compartment it will just pop out. So if you don't like using it with cable, you can use it wirelessly in 2 modes with the switch on the bottom as well. And here is your DPI switch as well. In Bluetooth mode the battery will last around 180 hours without LED lights on. But in 2.4 GHz mode this will be around 80 hours of life with LEDs on. The battery capacity is 500 mAh. The Cooler Master's Master Plus software includes a battery level indicator so you can track your battery percentage better. There is also a low power mode which defines at which battery percentage the low power mode is entered or activated. The LEDs are stored in the Cooler Master's logo and serves as a handy indicator for your currently assigned DPI settings, which you can also change in the software. 3 predefined lighting effects are available in the software. These include the static, breathing and color cycle effects. For most effects you can set custom colors and adjust brightness as well as transition speed. If you don't like RGB, of course, you can disable it completely. The feet on these mouse are pure PTFE feeds from Teflon, which are slightly rounded on the edges, which allows this mouse to glide smoothly across any surface. The shape of the mouse is not that much different from the previous MM711, except that the sensor in this one is positioned more forward. I would say that this mouse is best suited for claw grip type of users, but also for the fingertip users. It should suit medium-sized or smaller-sized hands much better. It has a matte surface which doesn't attract fingerprints or dust. I mean, it will attract dust, but keep it clean. And it's easy to clean. It has optical switches and their lifespan is around 70 million clicks. The clicks have some post-travel to them and feel crisp to the press with almost no pre-travel. The dimensions of this mouse are 116.5 by 62.4 by 38.3 millimeters, and it is available in either black or white color. Of course, take a listen to the clicking noise, side buttons, as well if there are any squeaks when this mouse is squeezed. The sound from the buttons are very pleasant, but the most important thing here is the performance and the quality improvements over the predecessor. I mean, it doesn't squeak or squeal like the predecessor did. This mouse is considered among gamers as one of the better mice for gaming. I had no problems in FPS games, hitting the target almost all the time, movements are precise without any jerking or juddering, and actually no lag. It works best while on cable or via the 2.4 GHz dongle. If you decide to go with Bluetooth connection, do not expect miracles while gaming, since Bluetooth by itself will have lags. There you have been warned. In case you need extra control, the included grip tape can help you with that. Otherwise, it has a nice texture to it and it has no issues with slipping from my fingers. The scroll wheel is smooth and you can still distinguish each turn too without it making much noise. Pressing it feels crispy enough. The side buttons might be a bit louder than usual, but nothing alarming. Here is the best thing about this mouse, the price, which is fluctuating a lot, but mostly can be found for around $60 US, but it is often available on deals and can be found for as low as $37 US, and if you are able to get it on the deal, go for it, you can't mistake with it. Thanks for watching guys, sub to the channel, like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.